Let's change our title here for our chat so it will look like the ready application here, nicely bigger title, same like we have for our settings. And then we're going to do the same thing for our users here to set some title. So let's start with our chats. If you remember when we did for our settings the title, we go to our settings table view controller. In view did load we have our handy code that we can copy. So let's go to our chats view controller here and paste this code in our view did load. And then I'm going to go to my storyboard, and here actually we cannot set the title here because this is not a navigation controller, but what we can do here in our users table view controller, as soon as the view did load function gets called, we can say self dot navigation controller dot title is equals to users. And let's run our application and see if our chat title is big and if our users have title there. You see our chat title is nice and big, and if I go here, alright, I don't see the title, so this is not working apparently. So what we do here, we are going to delete the navigation bar. So we say self title is equals user, and then I'm going to change this so it will be a normal standard size title. And this we are going to access our navigation controller dot large so navigation item. We need navigation item dot large title display mode is equals to dot never. So it will never display a large title. So let's run our application again. We have our chat speak, and if I move here we will have a small title here. And while we are here, you see when our cell is empty, we have all these empty cells here, which is not really nice. Even if we have some cells underneath, we have these empty cells. So I want to get rid of this. And the way of doing it is in our view did load, I'm going to say table view dot footer, table view header view, I'm sorry, table view dot footer view is equals to UI view and we're going to instantiate an empty UI view object. So this way, when we are setting a footer view, nothing, it will stop displaying table, these empty rows there. So let's test it again. And we're going to the users, and you see we have no empty cells, and even if we check all users, we have 3 cells and that's it. We don't have any other empty cells here.